Lovely ranch condo in beautiful Fountain City. Fantastic floor plan offering a private owner suite with oversized walk-in shower and private access to the inviting sunroom. Enjoy a cozy fire while relaxing or entertaining in the great room. The gas fireplace also opens to the sunroom, formal dining area for family meals or entertaining. Lovely architectural detail throughout. New HVAC, dimensional roof, and water heater. If you're looking for a well cared for, move-in ready home with some of the most stunning pastoral views, look no further. Neighborhood sidewalks, all level and well maintained. No city taxes yet. HOA covers exterior fire protection as well as maintenance and grounds care. Perfect location, convenient to shopping, dining, and interstate access.